you guys looking for some high quality seasonings for your kitchen, your pantry, this one is a Korean barbecue one. We're gonna put that one on this pizza here. It is filled with sesame seeds, chili flakes, salt, ground rice hulls, white sesame seed, black sesame seed, tamari soy sauce, powder, soybeans, salt and sugar, maple sugar, which sounds absolutely delicious, but it smells like a mesquite, like Korean barbecue. It's almost like the combination of like a barbecue chip with a little bit of like a Korean influence in there too, is what that kind of reminds me of. There's also the Smoky honey habanero, which for some reason this one I feel like is going to be one of the best. So you can see the little honey granule like bits, like most of it, like the main ingredient is honey granules. Let me show you what's in this one. Honey granules number one, brown sugar, smoked paprika, salt, and then habanero powder. So I'm really excited about that one. These are all from Spiceology. And then of course with this pizza over here, we're gonna go ahead and do the Greek Freak Mediterranean blend. It says here it's really good with chicken, seafood, beef, pork, vegetables, turkey, mashed potatoes, and salad dressings. And this one is a Mediterranean blend of herbs. Definitely smell the rosemary, pepper. I mean, it's absolutely full of different herbs in here. Red pepper flakes. So excited to try this out on the pizza. I feel like it's gonna be delicious. Really, anytime you're going for Mediterranean meats, I feel like this is gonna be a good option. All right, there's the Greek Freak pizza. It looks absolutely delicious. And this is the Korean barbecue pizza, loaded up with kimchi as well. You got it, of course. So Spiceology spices, they got a wide range of different spice blends for whatever you're looking to cook. I think they're pretty unique. Hope you guys enjoy as much as we do. Have an amazing rest of your day.